Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss about writing in a text file using Python. We're going to break down a Python script step by step. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, stay tuned to learn more about the script's functionality. Alright, let's dive right in. Starting with line 1, we have a Python function definition called write_file. This function takes two parameters, content and file_path. Moving on to line 2, we have a try block. This is where the main code execution begins. Line 3 opens a file located at the file_path in write mode, W. This means we can write data to this file. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. On line 4, we write the content passed to the function into the file using the write method. Line 5 prints a message indicating that the data has been successfully written to the file, along with the file's name. Next, on line 6, we have an except block. This block handles exceptions, which are unexpected errors that may occur during code execution. Line 7 specifically catches the file not found error exception. If the file specified in file_path doesn't exist, this block will execute. On line 8, it prints an error message informing us that the file does not exist. Finally, on line 9, we have another except block that catches any other exception that might occur during code execution. Line 10 prints an error message along with the details of the exception that occurred. Now, let's move on to the usage of this write_file function. On line 13, we define file_path, which is the path where we want to create or write to a file. In this case, it's c:/users/extreme gaming martin/desktop/test.txt. Line 15 defines myText, which is the content we want to write to the file. It's a simple text string in this example. Finally, on line 17, we call the write_file function, passing myText as the content and file_path as the file path. And there you have it. We've explained this Python script step by step. It's a simple program that demonstrates how to write data to a file in Python. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or would like to see more Python tutorials, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!